Alrighty guys, so I got a little project planned for my truck. I've seen videos of people doing this, so I wanted to give it a try. But first, I gotta run to Home Depot to grab supplies for said project. So currently heading there, and hopefully they have what I need to complete this, but we'll see. Alrighty, so Home Depot did have what I was looking for. I got all the lights. I wasn't sure how much I was gonna need. So each roll is 87 feet. So I got 3 rolls, so whatever that is, 162 something. But now gotta run home and start applying them. Gotta still figure out how I'm gonna get them on the truck. But if that's not enough, then they had more here. I can run back and grab more. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Putting them all over the truck should be a project in and of itself. Alright guys, so I got the truck, ladder, lights all set up. So I think this is going to be a trial and error of getting it correct, because I want everything still functional, all the doors, the hood, and tailgate still open. But yeah, I guess I'll just jump right into it and see how long this takes. I've heard it could take 6 hours. So this is my first time doing it, so we'll see. Alright guys, so it's like 2 hours later and I got through half the truck done, and I used up 3 rolls, which I thought would do the entire truck. So it's getting dark now, so I gotta run to Home Depot again tonight, grab more. But I'm satisfied with how it's coming out so far. Looks pretty sick. But yeah, still got a long ways to go. So yeah, we'll see how. I won't have time tomorrow, so what's today? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We'll see how that goes. Alrighty guys, so it's like a couple days later, and since I live in Massachusetts, it's currently dark and gets dark at like 4:30, 5 o'clock. So I started the back, which I didn't get on camera because it's basically the same. And if you'll notice, the tape is white. That's because I started with, what's it called? Packaging tape, which was clear. But then it rained, and the next day, all of this and some of the cab started to fall off. So I had to replace it all with white tape. So now I got a bunch of white duct tape holding it on. So far it's been holding. But hopefully it doesn't leave glue residue when I pull it off, but the power washer should make it come off. So now tonight I'm gonna try to knock out this entire side of the truck. So I hopefully have enough rolls. I got 5 extra rolls, so we'll see. And for you it'll just be quick, but for me it'll be a couple hours. So let's go. And just like that, all the lights are finally on. It only took about altogether, I don't know, 8 hours. That's 8 hours just for the other half in front of the truck. Altogether, probably 10 hours. And I did have to run to Home Depot for the 3rd time. So altogether, I have, I got 3 the first time, 5, and then 2 more today. So I got 10 rolls of lights on here, which would be 3,000 LED lights all around the truck. But it looks pretty sick all lit up. I don't want to reveal it right now. I'm gonna wait until I take it out to the city. So I'll probably be heading to Connecticut on Sunday this weekend and see people's reactions to it lit up at night. You don't really see the white tape when it's all lit up. Right now you do, but once all the lights are on and the spotlight is off, it looks pretty sick. So stay tuned for that. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna start the first drive. It's currently, believe it or not, 5:40, even though it's like super dark out. But this will be the first time taking it out on the main road. So hopefully everything stays on. We're gonna go down to Connecticut and hopefully to get people's reactions along with some pictures, because it's probably going to go into storage this coming week. So I guess we'll see how this all goes out. Alrighty guys, we're in Connecticut, West Hartford. We got the truck all lit up in the middle of the street trying to get pictures with all the nice lights. Just had a sick cop that was super chill, talked to us about the truck. Didn't care about, like, he didn't mind it. He said he was sick, but he wasn't gonna give us anything. But yeah, super sick pictures. So hopefully they turn out cool, and definitely breaking a lot of necks. But maybe next weekend we'll go to Boston and see what other pictures we can get.